Hello guys, welcome to today's session in Quantsapp, and today we will be learning about how you can choose your mutual funds with the relative performance graph, right? So in today's video, if you are new, first of all, you can go down in the description. There is a link below, so you can download and install the wealth application of Quantsapp, right? On the successful registration, you would get some free tools here and that you can use for your investment, right? Okay, and at any point of time, if you're having any kinds of doubts, so you can go in the support. We have our contact number and email ID here, so you can contact us and we will be there to help you out, right? So let's start today's video. Now guys, for example, you are doing some SIP in mutual funds or you are buying some mutual funds, right? So at that time, what happens? There are many times the people buy some mutual fund when it is at the highest point, right? For example, this is the chart of a mutual fund, right? A fund is going like this. Now they say like, okay, this is in the this graph of this mutual fund is in progressive zone, so they will buy it like here, right? Because they don't know whether it will go up from this point or it will go down from this point, right? So they buy it at this point. Now from the point you have bought it, you have faced a loss in your investment, right? And it could be a profit if you have gone a little, if you have gone through the some tools in Quantsapp, or you have done a little research by yourself, right? So that is what we are gonna do today. What we are going to use, we will use the RPG. The RPG is known as the relative performance graph. Relative performance graph. Now what is this relative performance graph is, right? So the relative performance graph, it is actually based on a benchmark, right? So you will be able to create your own benchmark, or you can take benchmark of Nifty as well, right? Now how it will help? For example, let me tell you, let me clear all this first, okay? So for example, this is the chart of the Nifty. So as you know, the Nifty has given approximately 28% growth in this last year, right? So the CAGR of Nifty index is 28%. Now what if you are going to invest in a mutual fund? You have already invested in a mutual fund, but that mutual fund is going like this and it is giving you a return of only 14%. Okay, so that is approximately 14% half of this Nifty index. Okay, so it means you are not getting proper returns on your investment that could have been more than this Nifty, right? So what we will do, we will choose some portfolios. We will make our portfolios, right? We will include some stocks there, we will include some mutual funds there, okay? And then we will only invest in that mutual fund which is in the progressive and which is working, which is showing good behavior, that it can go further from the Nifty. It can give me a good returns, okay, when I'm comparing it to the Nifty index, right? So how it works, RPG. In RPG we include two things. First thing is the relative volatility. Okay, so if the chart, or you can say the particular mutual fund is in volatile or not. Okay, so volatile means the momentum. So if it is showing you a good momentum or not in the market, right? The second thing is the price. So the second thing is the price. So if the price is increasing or not, right? So when we will go from the bottom to top, the momentum of that particular mutual fund or that particular asset will increase, and when we'll go from the left to right, so the price is increasing, right? So whenever a stock will move like this, okay, so it means it is showing you a good signal, so you can invest in that particular stock, right, from here to there, right? Okay, now let's open my Quantsapp wealth application, and in the Quantsapp wealth application, when you will go in the quant model, okay, so in the quant model we have the RPG, so you can see it shows you identify the momentum, outperformance and laggards, right? Now see, let's see, so what I can do, I can touch on this create one. Okay, now there are two types of, if you want to make your own portfolio, you can do that also, and you can compare like in out of these 5 mutual fund that I have taken, in which date I have to invest on you know, this one, on which date I have to invest on this one. Okay, you can compare those particular mutual funds with the benchmark of Nifty as well, right? So right now I don't have that portfolio, so I can choose dynamic conservative, so it will give me some options here, and if I'll select dynamic aggressive, okay, in which I can create my active bidding, so it is also showing me some options here, right? So I'll go with the dynamic aggressive and I'll choose some stocks, for example this 4-1, okay. Then if I'll create here, so it will show me all these 4-5 options in this RPG, right? Now how this RPG works, as I have told you in the blank PPT, right? Let me show you again. So for example, what it is doing, it is giving me a data of some past days, okay, till now, and here is some settings. Wait, let me find where are the settings here. Okay, yeah, this is the settings. Okay, so from the settings you can see the benchmark is Nifty. You can change the Nifty benchmark to self also. So what the software will do, the application will do, it will take the overall your watch list as a benchmark, okay, and in your whole watch list, whatever stock is performing good, outperforming all the others, okay, so that will be given in the from the weak zone to progressive zone and then the strong zone, okay. Now I have selected Nifty here. Then you can select tail length of 1, okay. So I'll generally select tail length of 1 because it gives me a clear chart, okay. Then you can select weekly, monthly or daily also. So right now I'm going with the weekly, okay, but if you want to invest for a longer time frame, so you can select monthly also, right? So I'm going with the weekly right now, then apply, okay. Now I can see here, for example, right now just wait a second, let me apply it on 2. Okay, so right now I'm able to find like in which direction my particular mutual fund is going, right? So I can see the Tata infrastructure. So you can see here, this is the fund, okay. So it is going like this. So this is the head, okay, and this is the tail. So it means this is going in this direction, right? So in this direction means it is going from weak to progressive zone. Similarly, we have a strong zone here and we have a laggard zone here, right? So it means the volatility is increasing in that direction, and when you are going in this direction, so your price is also moving, okay. And this is the volatility, or you can say momentum of the particular stock, right? Momentum is increasing from top to bottom and price is increasing from left to right, right? So this Tata infrastructure fund, it is going from weak to progressive. So at the same time my momentum is also increasing, it is going in the upward direction, and also the price is also increasing, right? So you can see this is the time when you can choose a fund, right, in which for example now this is the time when you have to invest so that it can move in further in this direction, right? Similarly, you can see in my portfolio these are all already aggressive funds because they are already in the strong zone. So I'll not invest right now. If I have invested in these, okay, so I'll keep investing in that, but I'll not initiate my investment right now in this one, okay, because they are already in peak, right? So what if you are going to select a particular fund, so you can wait for that fund to go from the weak zone to progressive zone, right? If it sustains in the progressive zone, then you can initiate your investment in that, right? Let's see the behavior of all these stocks in last few days, okay. So I'm calculating it from let's see it from 24 March. So on 24th March, you can see all of these Motilal, ICC, SDFC and Tata structure, they are in the strong zone, okay. Now let's go a little ahead in time. Okay, now I can see here on the 2nd of June 2024, the Motilal Oswal mid cap fund growth, it came in the laggard zone. Laggard zone, it means its volatility, its momentum has decreased. At the same time, it is going in the right to left direction. It means its price has also decreased, right? So this is the time when you can add more investment in this particular fund, right? And then we can see from 2nd June, it again moved in the strong zone. So your investment would have provided you a good return, right? So every time when it comes in the laggard zone, so you can add more funds, into your investment, right? Okay, so let's see the past. Okay, then you can see it is going more in the strong zone, okay. So you are getting more interest in your added funds, right? Okay, let's see. So it remained here for some time. Now the ICC and Tata had came down in the laggard zone, so you could have now invested more funds here. Okay, let's see again. Okay, so now you can see here ICC Prudential is also came here. right? Now you could have waited for this one. So like if it is giving from the weak to progressive, or you could have also invested here also, right? Let's see its performance again. So you can see the ICC potential is going back, okay, and now the ICC potential is in very strong region. So if you would have invested here when it was in the laggard zone, right, you would have provided it, you would have invested more funds, okay, more capital into it. So right now you could have enjoyed, you would have enjoyed, right, enjoying the profit in ICC potential fund, right? Let's see. Okay, so this is how the RPG work. Okay, so basically based on the momentum of the market and the price, so it will show you like which are the stocks. If you are not right now, you don't have any portfolio, don't have any funds, mutual funds in your portfolio, okay, but you have some options. We are already providing you some options with like if you want the conservative investment, or if you want the aggressive investment, so we are providing you some options, so you can go with them. Now whatever is going from like right now, I can see if I'm a new trader, if I'm a new investor, okay, and I want to select like which of them I have to invest right now, so I'll go with the Tata infrastructure fund, right? It is going from the weak to progressive, and it like you can also see the premiums are also low, right? So at that time I can invest in that particular funds, and there are chances if it sustains the progressive zone, so there are strong chances that it will go from progressive zone to strong zone, and you can enjoy a good interest in your investment, right? So this is how the option, the tool of RPG works in wealth application. If you like the video, if you like this tool, so you can download and install the application right now, okay, so you will get the benefit of this tool, right? So similarly we have many tools. We will cover those tools in upcoming videos, right? So thank you so much guys. This was all for today's video. If you like the video, you can share it with your friends also. You can comment us down if you are having any kinds of queries, okay? I hope you like this session. Thank you very much. This is your trainer Ankit Singh Rawat. Have a good day.